Welcome to Vintage Farmhouse. We're going to show you these Royal Stafford Blossom Time teacups and saucers. We've got these in two different date ranges and the sizes did alter slightly over the period of production. These are sort of post 1970s, later Royal Stafford china marks, as you can see there with the bar and crown, bone china made in England across the base. Note the quite marked indent around the pedestal base, and these are about a eighth of an inch smaller in diameter and height than the earlier pieces. Plain rim with gilt, partly ribbed walls, as you can see coming up this quite square teacup with again marked ribbing on the lower portion as it arches out. Nicely formed handles, well marked, they're in very fine condition, very clean, mint condition, nice and bright glaze with no condition warnings on them at all. Lovely little area of block work on this. It's palpable, almost hand painted this with the enamels on there. Really nice sort of alpiney white and bright green floral design. Blossom Time, again period Royal Stafford china marks on the saucer, in fine condition again, no warnings on this one. Good gilt around the scalloped rim. They make nice pairs. We've got three of these in this size with these stamps on. We've also got three pairs of earlier pieces, 1950s, 1960s, which again do check out the size warnings. We thought they were all a single set. We did a video actually demonstrating the difference, which I'll pop a link in the description below to take you to, so you can see the very subtle differences that occurred over the long period of production of this particular pattern by Royal Stafford. If you like these, the link description below will take you directly to the vintage and antiques product listing for them. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.